Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're on the £2 coin hunt again today, but before we get into the hunt, I'd just like to show you a few coins that I did actually find out on my travels today. Me and my good lady wife went to the Metro Centre, which is the same place where Change Checker did the 50p swap in early May, and there is sort of an amusement arcade in there. Now, there was a machine there that used to dispense 50 pences, and for some reason it got taken out. I don't know whether it was damaged or what, but I popped in today and I did find that the machine was back again. So we've put in £25 of in notes, and what we got back was all pound coins. So we put all them back in and we managed to get 25 quid's worth of 50 pences, but the only two that we actually got was a Paddington at the Cathedral and the Diversity Built Britain. So just two coins out of all those. And also I was at the local Asda picking up a couple of sandwiches for me and my good lady, and this came out in the change on the self-service till. £1 coin. It's dated 2016, but we've got this little shield here. If you sort of lift it up, you can see it's a lefty. So the milled edge is actually just to the left of the shield, and the majority, the milled edge, is on the right hand side of the shield. So that's the first one I've actually ever found, believe it or not. So anyway, today is hunt number 7, I think, for the £2 coin hunt that we're currently running. So book 5 and 6, and if you weren't with me last time, where were you? Because we did find a Northern Ireland Commonwealth Games, an absolute spank and find. So we just need the other 3 now, along with my nemesis coin, the Beijing Handover, King James Bible and the Underground Train, the Roundel and the Golden Guinea for book number 5. The Navy Centennial, any flagger is just whether neither here or there, forget it. Now, in the back we've got book 6, as you can see, all 4 Commonwealths, still needing that railway locomotives. Beijing again, King James Bible, Rio, Underground Train, and then we need Roundel, another Guinea, Magna Carta, Navy Centenary, Britannia's, both of them, and the Great Fire of London. We also got an Olympic Centenary in the last hunt, along with the Mary Rose. So it's coming along nicely. Like I said, we've only had 6 episodes. Right, so the bag we've got today, we'll pick this up at a branch on the way through to the Metro Centre. Took all the 50 pences back, and this time I did go in with the intention of getting a bag of £2 coins. Now, it is a branch I've used in the past to take all my coins back, but it has been some time since I have been there, so this shouldn't be any of the cast-offs. Actually, I'll better quickly show you the bag. You can see it has been tampered with. The date is 24th of June. So, like I say, I'm recording this on the 5th of July, and just after 9 o'clock at night. So we'll get straight in, see if we can get some nice coins, and I will count the bags round to the side. 1, 2, 24, and one makes 25, but I'll just leave that in the centre. Move that up the side there. Think all that, and of course Gizmo, lovely lucky Gizmo. So we've got the tum, the bum, the feet and the hair. That's the usual ritual, seems to bring, or has been bringing luck. And we'll just dive straight in. This is bag number 1. This video might be a little bit longer than usual with all that bit at the beginning. So technology's not bothered with them. We're really looking for any picture coins, low minted ones preferably. Any 2015s, I'll try and check them en route, but more often than not I will do them all at the end of the video. just in case there is any rotations or double die or versus where it's been stamped twice. Oh, get in. Well, there's one for album number 6, and that is the Richard Trevithick Steam Locomotive. So we're off to a flyer there. Actually, I'm just wondering when this 25 years of the £2 coin sets are coming out. I mean, we're sort of into July now, so we're well past 6 months, and there hasn't been anything mentioned apart from last year when they said they were going to be coming out. Shakespeare Comedies is our second find today, part of the 3 coin sets. Apparently people in the south are still having difficulty finding them. Then we've got the Army Centenary, which is very common up in this part of the world. Well, 3 bags down, 3 finds. Good start. Bag number 4, 2015. That's fine. For the Army Centenary. King and Country. Didn't check the other edge. That's King and Country. Nothing else. Oop. $14. I saw a Guy Fawkes in here. That'll be something. Do the Army Centenary. King and Country as well. And there's the Guy Fawkes Gunpowder Plot, 2005. And bust for that one. And a bust for that one. Come on, Gizmo, let's have you waking up in the corner there. Rugby World Cup. Shakespeare Tragedies. Piece of work as a man. Correct edge inscription. Hope you guys have been enjoying the what's in the box, where I've been buying the bulk coins. That's been taking quite a bit sort of film and edit. I've got a Britannia coming up, so that will be one for album number 6 as well. To 2015. How many of these can I find? I find more 2015s than I do with 2016. Well, this bag's got a few in. Abolition of the slave trade. It's got the bubbly finish there rather than the smooth. So, and I've got an act of union. Could it be a rotation? Nope. Nothing else is there. Yeah, I have found that the coins in that job lot that I've been buying, most of them I don't actually have, so it's probably going to cost us quite dear in the long run. But let's expand on the collection. Actually, I've just thought, what if I put the Britannia up there when he is one of the star finds? I don't know. I am only an amateur at this, you know. 2015. Shakespeare comedies again. And another Army Centenary. Again, no. Keep forgetting to check the edge. I don't think we'll probably find any edge errors because I think they're already in bunk sets. Oh, Lord Kitchener 2014. Could it be the mule? No. So it has got £2 on the obverse. So if it didn't have that, then you would have a mule error, because some of the coins have been minted with the technology obverse rather than the obverse what it should have been, which is the one I've just had there. Next one. Oh, got another Army World War One. What am I talking about Army Centenaries for? Lord Kitchener. So again, it's got the correct obverse on it. That's the outbreak of World War One, to give it its proper name. A few bus bags in this lot. Got another Army Centenary there to kick that bag off. Got light shows how shiny that coin is. It's really glistening. Actually, I better check the edge as well. Nah, right one. The Shakespeare Tragedies, a piece of work as a man, I haven't found one of them edgers for quite some time now. Another one. Army Centenary again. $2015 at the end, but that did not have a rotation. And another Rugby World Cup. Second one today. And another Army Centenary. Right, we're down to 4 bags. Another Shakespeare comedies. It's not looking likely we're going to get the Shakespeare set here. Histories, which is a higher minted one, strangely is not anywhere to be seen. Oh, there's a few here. Got DNA. Got Charles Dickens. Nothing else. 2 bags. Ooh. Oh, wow! Look at the state of that one. Well, very, very, very shiny underground train, and we do require that. In fact, we were needed for both albums, but it'll be going into number 5, Starfind. Shakespeare tragedies again. One piece of work as a man. And another one. Got Brunel achievements, Archers at Paddington Station. And last bag. Well, got 2 there that sort of pulled us out the fire. I mean, that's in fantastic condition. I don't think it's a bunk. Right, I've got one here. I've got a few here. Oh, there's the histories anyway. Another Army Centenary. Quite a few of them. But our first Shakespeare histories of the day, and got 1, 2, another something else coming up here, I think. Oh, that looks like a Technologies. It's quite a shiny one actually. And that's it. So not a bad hunt in general, and we've got we've got a few to go in the albums. But what I'm going to do first is I'll check the rest of the coins to see if we've got any of those rotation errors, and then we'll come back and we'll update the albums. Right, I'm back, and it's always good to go through the coins again just in case you find that rotation error, and unfortunately today is not one of those days, but I did end up finding a fake. How I never spotted this during the hunt is beyond me. I mean, you lot might have seen it and was screaming at the screen, there's a fake, there's a fake. But this one's dated 2012, and you can usually tell it just seems like it's got a diamond finish to it, but different metal on the inner part as well. Everything is just wrong about it. So Gizmo, that's minus points for you today. But let's have a look at the album. So didn't get anything on that page. Got the Underground Train. which is in, like I said, it's in very, very good condition. We didn't get a roundel, we didn't get a guinea, so it's just the one for album number 5. We're locomotives for album number 6. Nothing there. And the 2015 Britannia. Which, again, it's not in too bad condition. And so does it fit this one in? There we go. So not too bad. 3 editions, 1 for album 5, 2 for album 6. So just leaves me to say thank you for watching, and keep on hunting. Enjoy yourselves, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.